Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to earn rewards in the Decathlon app. First we have to open the app. Here it opens up in the home menu. From here we just go to the profile menu, and here we have my membership program. We just tap on this, and here as you can see we have a number of points. We can earn points by doing different kinds of things, working out, etc. And here we have the rewards catalog, for which we can collect points. For example, a £40 voucher costs 24,000 points, and we can collect these somehow. That's it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.